Closing all the apps on Android is easy, but with modern tablets, it's often unnecessary. On a button layout like mine, you'll simply tap the app switcher, and from there use the Close All button. If you're using the gesture-based navigation, you'll swipe up from the bottom, and then stop about halfway up to bring up the app switcher. For most people, closing apps manually is an old habit from old devices, but modern tablets with recent Android versions are designed to keep your apps frozen in their memory. When you manually close an app and later reopen it, it actually uses more power and battery compared to waking up an app that's been frozen in the background. The rule of thumb is that you should only close an app if it's glitching or not working properly. Otherwise, just let your tablet handle it. Closing apps every 10 minutes will drain more battery than simply letting them be open in the background. Now, the pro tip here is that if you look at the top left corner, there's a button that shows active apps that are actually running in the background. These are apps that are actually doing something and consuming resources in the background. And if you'd like, you can stop them without having to close out every single app on your tablet. If you do want to close apps, you can swipe up to close an individual app. Or close all if that's what you want. If you want to close everything but leave a few selected apps open, you can tap the app icon in the app switcher and lock that app. Now, when you use the Close All button, everything gets closed except the apps you've locked. To unlock an app, you can just bring up the app switcher and tap the lock icon. Click the like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.